Alright guys, today we're going to do lesson 3.3, what is contour line and color blending. Right here we have the definition, and then here's the directions for this first part here. I'm going to have you guys read through that, and I'm going to give you about 2 minutes to fill in this and figure out which ones are the contour line drawings. Alright, after that, down below, we have the next part where we're going to learn a little bit more about color blending. Now color blending is really nice because you can make the colors look a little bit more exciting and you can get those in-between colors. For this part, we're going to do some color blending with red, orange, and yellow. There are other colors that work well together, but for this case, we're going to try to use these colors. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to start off by doing red. Now this one's a violet red, so it's going to be okay because it's pretty close. But we're going to come in here and I'm going to do this color. I'm going to probably color it about to right in here. So about 1/3 of it is going to be with this red here. Next, I'm going to get into orange, and I'm going to overlap them a little bit here. So I'm going to come a little bit into that color on top of it and see what happens here when I blend it. And then this one is going to go about right into here or so. And then the final one is a yellow, and yellow is going to go a little bit overlapping it. And we're just going to put them together here. Trying to blend them together. Alright, and you should be able to get a nice gradual change in color from red all the way to yellow here. The next page, lesson 3.4, we're going to work with contour line practice. This is where you're going to come up with a good idea for the animal for your project that we're going to be doing. The first thing I'm going to have you guys do is practice doing a contour line, and you're going to do it of one of these kangaroos. To do a contour line, we're going to try to use our skills to try to copy what we see here. So I'm going to start here on the tail, and I'm just going to try to do the same thing that I see here. Now you have to kind of slow down. You don't want to go too fast. And the hardest part is getting the size correct. Okay? Once the size gets off, it might throw everything off here. Be confident in it for this practice one here. And if it gets off a little bit, just keep going. Don't start erasing a lot, because that's what you'll do the whole time, is just erase. But I'm just slowing down, and it looks like it's pretty close. I might be off a little bit, but I'm going to still go with it. And then I'm going to finish off right here. Okay, so I was a little bit bigger, but if I were to do that with practice, I would get better each time. And that's what this is all about, is practicing. Down here, I'm going to have you guys, so I have a sheet here that has a bunch of silhouettes and outlines of different animals that you could use in your work. So I want you to practice, choose one of those animals, and I want you to try to draw it here, and then I'm going to have you guys create a color pattern of your choice. You know, you could do something like warm colors in there, or you could choose cool colors, or you could do a different one here in the bottom where you fill it in on the inside. So you'd fill in with a different color pattern. All right, guys, good luck with coming up with your ideas today.